Today we are going to learn about general building construction. Can you see my screen? You cannot.
Mwalimu, can you talk?
Yes, there is my screen. Can you see it now?
No.
You can't see my screen.
No.
Yeah, mic boy.
My mic is on. Mic is on.
Zoom.
You can't. Okay, can you now see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, the screen is visible.
Okay, thank you for the response. So, like I just said, I'm called Olango Brian Ochieng, and I'll be taking you through general building construction under external works. Can you get me?
Yeah.
Yes. Your voice is very low.
Okay, my voice is very low. Just you can now get me. Hello. Can you get me now?
Yes, you can resume.
Okay, so thank you for the response. So today we are going to talk about external works and under fencing. This external works. So what I will be expecting from you at the end of this session. By the end of the session, the trainee should be able to identify the different functions of fences in general building construction. 2, distinguish between various types of fences based on materials and design. Yeah, that one, by the end of this top mini session, you should be able to know all those 2 outcomes or learning outcomes. Yeah. So, like, we start with the definition. I hope everybody know what's a fence. Like I said, the fence is a structure that typically stand outdoors and serves multiple purposes. Under that, we have function of fences. Functions of fences, we have one boundary definition. So you can use a fence to mark property lines and delineate usable space. Again, the second one for privacy. Privacy meaning fence provide visual and sometimes noisy obstruction from privacy within a property. The second one is for security. Fence data unauthorized entry and improve overall security. The fourth one is safety. Fence can restrict access to hazardous areas like pools or construction sites. Like when you want to design your building, like your house or your restaurant, it will force you to make a fence between the restaurant and the pool area so that you can minimize some accidents. So another one is animal control. Fence can keep pest or unwanted animals in or out of an area. Are we together? Okay, the last one is aesthetics. Fence can enhance the visual appeal of property and complement that overall design. Complement the overall design. So we'll proceed to the next. Now we come to types of fence. I'll ask one of the Edgar Calendar. Are you with us? Edgar Calendar, can you?
Yes, sir.
Close your video and read for us what you can see on the screen. Okay, can you read for us what you can see on the screen? Open your microphone. Okay. Calendar is like, it's like he's not with us. Maka Kong.
Okay, Malim,
Yes.
I'm Jane. So, the types of fences,
Yes.
we have wood fence.
Mhm.
Should I continue?
Let's continue and read everything you see.
In wood, we have classic and versatile.
Yes.
And the second type of fence, we have brick or stone.
Okay.
This durable and low maintenance. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity.
Okay, Mark, can you continue from where you reached? Is in vinyl. Continue from vinyl.
The second one, we have metal. Under metal, we have chain link. The last one, we have natural fences. These are like the bamboo, rails, etc. Thank you.
Yes, I'm present, sir. Okay, factors to consider when selecting fences. Number one is the purpose. You should identify the primary function, such as privacy, security, etc. Number two, we have materials. Considers the cost, availability, durability, maintenance requirements, and aesthetic value. The third factor is regulations. You check for the local building codes and restrictions. Then we have the site conditions. And even terrain may require specific fences types such as split rails. Then we have the security needs. Fences height, strength, and potential for climbing resistance is considered. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, we proceed. Now we have components of fence. Number one, we have posts. Posts, these are the vertical supports that hold the fences structures. The second one, we have the rails. Rails, these are the horizontal members that connect the post and provide rigidity. The third one, we have pickets and or slats. These are the vertical boards or panels that create the fence body, in bracket like privacy fence. Those are the like bow. So you can, if you are using a timber fencing, they're the bows, the timbers you put across for privacy. The second last, we have the braces. These are the diagonal supports that add stability to the fence, especially in a windy area. The last one is a gate. And you have to know that when you want to make a fence, you cannot make your fence without an entrance. So this is where we come up with a gate. Now, where this allows you to access through the fences or the inside the where you have fenced. Yeah. So since this is what we have learned today, I think you learned something, and I will ask you if you have any question you can ask before we end the session. Okay, Amos Opio.
Okay, yes, my question is,
Yes,
you've talked about aesthetics,
yes.
So because of I said, can we say also that the cypress fence is a type of a fence?
Cypress.
Yes.
Yes, you can use it. You can use it for fencing.
You can also say, okay, sir.
Okay. Any question again from any trainee?
So
Yes.
where does the cypress fence fall under? Does this fall under timber fences or vinyl?
Cypress. Okay, vinyl is a plastic fence. So, and cypress is a wood or a timber, most probably a wood. You can use it for, it falls under wood fence. Did I respond to you? Hey, Mark.
Yes.
Okay.
For example,
Okay.
there are some certain plants
Mhm.
you plant around around a certain land. For example, kayapa. I don't know if you know about kayapa.
Yeah, Kayaba, these are the thorny fencing, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is it a type of fence or it's just a plant there?
Okay, you know, there we were discussing fencing is artificial, and these ones like you can create, you can construct, but the Kayaba ones, you plant them. They can be for like greener pasture because they are green in nature, so you can use them for plants, like plants, mini planting fences, planted fences. Yeah, I think that's good. And any question, Edgar Calendar? Yeah. Can you, okay, Edgar, may you unmute your microphone so that I can hear you?
Ongea kwa microphone.
Unmute your microphone, unmute. I cannot hear you, please. Okay, like it's like Edgar is not, he doesn't know how to use the online class. So we will just end the session there, and that I ask you to, there will be an assignment I'll be sending to you so that you do it. And that's the end of the session. Thank you. Thanks for your cooperation.
Welcome.
Bye.